Kreg multipurpose project blocks are versatile and beneficial tools for woodworkers. They elevate workpieces for easier sanding, finishing, and routing. Their grip max surface prevents slipping and sliding and keeps the blocks in place. The retractable painting points are perfect for painting or finishing tasks. Moreover, they can handle up to 200 pounds. With these features, the project blocks enhance woodworking workspaces and improve project efficiency. Mirka Flexible sanding pads are soft, durable, and ideal for sanding curved or irregular surfaces. With their flexibility, they conform perfectly without leaving marks. They come in various grits for different projects and produce less dust compared to traditional sandpaper. Great for tight spaces and curved surfaces, Merka flexible sanding pads are a high-quality and versatile option for woodworkers. The Bosch Workbench PWB 600 is a portable and versatile workbench designed for various DIY projects. Its lightweight aluminum construction ensures easy portability and storage. The workbench features a durable bamboo top that is water-resistant, making it suitable for various tasks. With a built-in storage tray, you can keep your tools and accessories organized and within reach. The 4-blade clamps offer a maximum clamping depth of 34 mm and a maximum clamping width of 85 mm, ensuring a secure hold on workpieces. With a load capacity of 200 kilograms, this workbench is both sturdy and reliable. The Kreg panel carrier is a handy tool designed for carrying large sheets of plywood and other materials with ease. Its large grippy pads automatically adjust to the material's thickness, providing a secure grip. The ergonomic and padded handle ensures comfortable carrying, even with heavy loads, as it can hold up to 100 pounds. Made from durable materials, the Kreg panel carrier is a reliable and easy-to-use solution for moving heavy sheets of material. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this tool can make transporting plywood and MDF a breeze. The Bosch Cordless Jigsaw Universal Saw is a powerful and versatile tool, perfect for various home improvement projects. It offers a cutting depth of 100 mm in wood and 8 mm in steel, providing flexibility to work with different materials. The variable speed trigger and soft start function ensure precise control and smooth starts. The SDS system allows for easy blade changes, while the dust extraction port keeps the work area clean. With an LED light for dark areas and a 3-year warranty, this cordless jigsaw is a reliable choice for DIYers and professionals alike. The Woodpeckers DUAX angle drilling table is a durable and precise tool that allows drilling at any angle from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, making it ideal for woodworking projects requiring accurate drilling. It features an adjustable angle table with laser-cut teeth for precise angle settings and stainless steel quadrants to secure angles even under heavy drilling pressure. The adjustable fence allows drilling at any angle, and it includes hold-down clamps and button stops for secure workpiece holding. Compatible with most drill presses, this table is a valuable addition to any woodworker's toolkit, enhancing precision and efficiency in woodworking tasks. The Fastcap Tri Trimmer is a specialized tool designed for woodworkers to trim edge banding and veneers in tight corners. With its unique design, it can reach areas that other trimmers cannot, ensuring a clean cut with its 2 blades. The Tri Trimmer's reversible blades offer longer life, and its ergonomic handle provides comfort during use. Made from durable materials, this tool is a valuable addition to any woodworker's arsenal, making trimming tasks in tight corners easier and more efficient. The ProFit MultiPurpose XL hole saw is a versatile tool suitable for making holes in various materials, including wood, metal, plastic, and drywall. Its large 111 mm diameter is ideal for substantial projects. The hole saw's carbide teeth ensure a long lifespan and easy cutting through tough materials. It features a quick change system for fast blade changes and is constructed from durable materials. This tool is perfect for those in need of a reliable hole saw capable of handling diverse tasks. With its ease of use and durability, the ProFit MultiPurpose XL is a great choice for all-round hole saw needs. The Uscribe Jig is a durable plastic tool designed to help woodworkers create perfect scribe lines on cabinet fillers and toe kicks. With its self-aligning design and built-in pencil holder, it ensures accurate scribing every time. The Jig also features a depth stop for controlling scribe line depth. Its ease of use and affordability make it a time-saving and frustration-reducing tool for cabinetry installations. If you need precise scribing, the Uscribe Jig is an excellent choice. The Greenworks 8V rotary tool is a versatile cordless tool suitable for grinding, drilling, polishing, cutting, engraving, and sanding. It operates on an 8V lithium-ion battery, providing up to 40 minutes of runtime. The variable speed dial allows control from 5,000 to 35,000 revolutions per minute, and a built-in LED light aids visibility in low-light conditions. The package includes 10 rotary bits, a sanding drum, a grinding stone, a polishing pad, and a carrying case. With its power and versatility, the Greenworks 8V rotary tool is a valuable addition to any home or workshop. The Own My 45-degree angle marker is a durable aluminum alloy pen center finder for drawing 45-degree lines on small-sized materials. Its precise inch scale and easy pencil-drawn lines make centerline location accurate for woodworking and DIY projects. The tool measures 70 mm x 43 mm with a 9.4 mm thickness, weighing 135 g. It is rust-resistant and sturdy due to oxidation treatment. The Rotosaw Plus is a powerful rotary tool with a 6-amp motor ideal for cutting various materials. It offers precise control with its variable speed trigger and features a dust collection system. The tool is lightweight, easy to use, and compatible with a variety of RotoZip bits and attachments. With an integrated LED light, it can also be used in dark areas. The Rotosaw Plus is a reliable choice for both DIYers and professionals, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. Sager spray paint racks are a set of 4 durable plastic racks, designed for painting and drying large objects. They can be stacked for space-saving convenience and have adjustable straps to secure objects in place. The non-slip surface prevents sliding. These racks are a great option for efficient and easy painting and drying of doors, cabinets, and other sizable items. The Rockler 3-way face clamp is a versatile clamp designed for woodworking projects. It can be used for face clamping, edge clamping, and general clamping applications. The wide bridge and quick-release Acme threads allow for precise adjustments. The non-marring pads protect delicate surfaces during clamping. It is a reliable and easy-to-use tool backed by Rockler's satisfaction guarantee. The Rockler Mini Deluxe panel clamps are designed for smaller woodworking projects like cutting boards and small boxes. Their scissor-action couplers apply even pressure from all sides, ensuring a flat panel and flush joints. The clamps can fit panels from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick and up to 16 inches wide. Made with high-quality materials, they are reliable and backed by Rockler's satisfaction guarantee. A great choice for small, versatile panel clamping needs. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.